Can you understand this daily routine conversation?
I wake up at 6 o'clock every morning.
6 o'clock is very early. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Do you use an alarm?
Yes, I use an alarm. My phone is my alarm.
I use my phone too. It rings at 6 o'clock.
Do you get up right away?
No, I do not get up right away. I stay in bed for 10 minutes.
I understand. I like to sleep. I press the snooze button.
Yes, the snooze button is nice. After 10 minutes, I get up.
What is the first thing you do?
I open the curtains. I like the morning light.
That is a good habit. I open my curtains too.
Then I make my bed. Do you make your bed?
Yes, I always make my bed. A clean room is good.
After I make my bed, I go to the bathroom.
I go to the bathroom too. I wash my face.
I wash my face with cold water. It wakes me up.
I use warm water. Cold water is too cold for me.
Then I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes.
I brush my teeth too. I use mint toothpaste.
I also use mint toothpaste. Then I take a shower.
Do you take a morning shower?
Yes, I always take a morning shower.
I take a shower at night. I do not have time in the morning.
A morning shower gives me energy.
What do you do after your shower?
I dry my hair. Then I get dressed.
Do you wear a uniform to work?
No, I do not wear a uniform. I wear a shirt and pants.
I wear a dress or a skirt to work.
After I get dressed, I go to the kitchen.
The kitchen is my favorite room. It is time for breakfast.
Yes, I always eat breakfast.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and toast.
Do you cook the eggs?
Yes, I cook 2 eggs in a pan.
I do not cook in the morning. I eat cereal.
Cereal is fast.
Yes, it is very fast. I put milk in my cereal.
Do you eat fruit?
Yes, I eat an apple or a banana.
I eat a banana every day.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I need coffee. I drink 2 cups of coffee.
I drink coffee too. I drink 1 cup.
Do you put milk in your coffee?
Yes, I put milk and sugar in my coffee.
I drink black coffee. No milk, no sugar.
Black coffee is very strong.
I like strong coffee. It wakes me up.
What time do you leave your house?
I leave my house at 7:30.
I leave my house at 8 o'clock.
How do you go to work?
I take the bus. The bus stop is near my house.
I drive my car to work.
Is there a lot of traffic?
Yes, there is a lot of traffic in the morning.
The bus is slow, but I can read a book.
Reading on the bus is a good idea.
Yes, it is very relaxing.
I listen to the radio in my car.
Do you listen to music or the news?
I listen to the news. I like to know what is happening.
What time do you arrive at work?
I arrive at 8 o'clock.
I arrive at 8:30.
What is the first thing you do at work?
I turn on my computer.
I turn on my computer too.
Then I check my emails.
I get a lot of emails every morning.
I read my emails and answer them.
After emails, I talk to my manager.
We have a morning meeting at 9 o'clock.
Meetings are sometimes boring.
Yes, sometimes they are boring, but they are important.
Do you have a coffee break?
Yes, I have a break at 10 o'clock.
What do you do on your break?
I talk to my coworkers. We drink water or tea.
I walk around the office. I need to stretch my legs.
Sitting all day is bad. Walking is good.
When do you eat lunch?
I eat lunch at noon, 12 o'clock.
I also eat lunch at 12 o'clock.
Do you bring your lunch from home?
Yes, I bring a sandwich from home.
I buy my lunch. There's a cafe near my office.
What do you buy at the cafe?
I usually buy a salad or soup.
Salad is very healthy.
Yes, I try to eat healthy food.
I eat my sandwich at my desk.
You should not eat at your desk. You should go outside.
You are right, but I have a lot of work.
I eat in the park. The fresh air is nice.
How long is your lunch break?
I have 1 hour for lunch.
I only have 30 minutes.
30 minutes is very short.
Yes, I eat fast. Then I go back to work.
What do you do in the afternoon?
I make telephone calls. I call many clients.
I do not make calls. I write reports.
Writing reports takes a long time.
Yes, it is hard work.
Do you feel tired in the afternoon?
Yes, around 3 o'clock, I feel very tired.
I feel tired at 3 o'clock too.
What do you do when you are tired?
I drink another cup of coffee.
I drink a glass of cold water.
Water is better than coffee in the afternoon.
Yes, coffee at night makes it hard to sleep.
What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5 o'clock.
I finish work at 5 o'clock too.
Do you go home right away?
No, I do not go home right away. I go to the gym.
You go to the gym every day?
I go to the gym 3 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
That is very good. Exercise is important.
What do you do after work?
I go to the supermarket. I buy food for dinner.
Do you go to the supermarket every day?
No, I go 2 days a week, Tuesday and Thursday.
What do you do at the gym?
I want to know.
I run on the treadmill for 30 minutes.
Running is hard. I prefer walking.
After running, I lift weights.
Does it make you strong?
Yes, it makes my arms and legs strong.
Maybe I should go to the gym.
You can come with me on Friday.
That sounds nice. I will think about it.
What time do you get home?
I get home at 6 o'clock.
I get home at 6:30.
What is the first thing you do when you get home?
I take off my shoes. I put on my slippers.
I take off my shoes too. I wash my hands.
Washing hands is very important.
Yes, the bus is dirty. I always wash my hands.
Then I change my clothes.
I put on comfortable clothes.
Yes, sweatpants and a t-shirt.
Exactly. Then I go to the kitchen.
It is time to cook dinner.
Do you like cooking?
I like cooking, but I am tired after work.
I understand. Cooking takes time.
What do you usually cook?
I cook chicken and rice.
Chicken and rice is a good meal.
I also cook vegetables, carrots and broccoli.
I love broccoli. I make pasta for dinner.
Pasta is easy and fast.
Yes, I boil water. I put the pasta in the water.
Do you make tomato sauce?
Yes, I make tomato sauce with onions and garlic.
That sounds delicious.
It is very good. I eat dinner at 7 o'clock.
I eat dinner at 6:30.
Do you eat alone?
Yes, I eat alone. I live alone.
I live alone too. I eat in front of the television.
I eat at the dinner table.
I know eating at the table is better.
Yes, I like a quiet dinner.
After dinner, who washes the dishes?
I wash the dishes. I have a dishwasher.
A dishwasher is great. I wash dishes by hand.
Washing dishes by hand is boring.
It is boring, but it is necessary.
Yes, a clean kitchen is important.
What do you do in the evening?
I relax. I watch television or read a book.
What do you watch on television?
I watch movies or funny shows.
I like funny shows. I like to laugh.
Laughing is good after a long day.
Do you use your phone in the evening?
Yes, I look at social media.
I look at social media too. I talk to my friends.
I call my mother in the evening.
That is nice. Does she live far away?
Yes, she lives in another city. We talk for 20 minutes.
I call my parents on the weekend.
What else do you do in the evening?
Sometimes I do housework.
What housework do you do?
I do the laundry. I wash my clothes.
I do laundry on Saturday.
I like to do it on Wednesday.
Do you iron your clothes?
Yes, I iron my shirts for work.
Ironing is my least favorite chore.
I listen to music when I iron. It helps.
That is a good idea.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock is a good time.
I need 8 hours of sleep.
I go to bed at 11 o'clock.
11 o'clock is a little late.
Yes, I am sometimes tired in the morning.
You should go to bed earlier.
I will try to sleep at 10 o'clock tonight.
What is your bedtime routine?
I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth again.
I brush my teeth and wash my face again.
Then I put on my pajamas.
I put on my pajamas too.
I get into bed. I turn off the main light.
Do you fall asleep immediately?
No, I read a book for 20 minutes.
Reading in bed is very relaxing.
Yes, it makes my eyes tired.
I listen to a podcast.
What kind of podcast?
A sleep podcast. It has quiet sounds.
Like rain or ocean sounds?
Yes, exactly. It helps me sleep fast.
Then what do you do?
I check my alarm for the morning.
I do that too. I must wake up at 6 o'clock.
I set my alarm for 7 o'clock.
Then I turn off the small lamp.
I turn off my phone.
And then we sleep.
Yes, and the next day starts again.
Is your weekend routine the same?
No, my weekend routine is very different.
My weekend routine is different too.
What time do you wake up on Saturday?
I do not use an alarm on Saturday.
That is the best feeling.
I wake up at 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock.
I wake up at 9 o'clock.
Do you stay in bed?
Yes, I read the news on my phone in bed.
I watch videos on my phone.
What do you eat for breakfast on the weekend?
I eat a big breakfast.
I love a big weekend breakfast.
I cook pancakes and bacon.
Pancakes are my favorite.
I put butter and syrup on my pancakes.
That is not very healthy, but it is delicious.
It is okay on the weekend.
What do you do on Saturday afternoon?
I clean my apartment.
I clean my apartment too. I vacuum the floor.
I wash the windows and clean the bathroom.
Cleaning takes 2 hours.
Yes, but the apartment looks very nice after.
Do you go out on Saturday night?
Yes, I often meet my friends.
Where do you go?
We go to a restaurant for dinner.
What kind of food do you eat with friends?
We usually eat pizza or burgers.
I love pizza.
Sometimes we go to the cinema.
I like watching movies in the cinema. The screen is big.
And the popcorn is very good.
Yes, cinema popcorn is the best.
What do you do on Sunday?
Sunday is my relaxing day.
Do you go out?
I go for a walk in the park.
I like walking in the park.
I look at the trees and the birds.
Do you read on Sunday?
Yes, I sit on a bench and read a book.
I visit my family on Sunday.
That is wonderful. Do you have a big family?
I have one brother and one sister.
Do they live near you?
Yes, they live 30 minutes away.
Do you eat lunch together?
Yes, my mother cooks a big lunch.
Sunday lunch with family is a good tradition.
We talk and laugh a lot.
What time do you go home on Sunday?
I go home at 4 o'clock.
What do you do on Sunday evening?
I prepare for the work week.
How do you prepare?
I choose my clothes for Monday.
I do that too. It saves time in the morning.
I also make my lunch for Monday.
You are very organized.
It makes Monday morning easy.
Sometimes I feel sad on Sunday night.
Because the weekend is over?
Yes, because Monday is coming.
I understand. Monday is always a long day.
But the routine is good.
Yes, the daily routine keeps me focused.
We work, we eat, we sleep.
And we enjoy the weekends.